Hello everyone, my name is Thomas and welcome to my lettercraft channel. If you are here, probably you are somehow related to letter crafting, so please consider subscribing to my channel. Last week I reviewed KS blade pricking irons I have. If you haven't seen it, check it here. And today I continue to review the quality tools of my workshop with PALOSANTO factory tools. Just before the start, I want to mention I'm not somehow sponsored or related to this company, it's just my honest personal opinion. I have two edge bevelers with African blackwood handles. Handles you can choose from a few types of woods. My bevelers are in size 0 and size 1. You can order in multiple sizes. Size 0 I use for single layer leather. And size 1 for multiple layers on craft or thicker leather. If I said about pricking irons that it's not necessary to buy expensive ones immediately after you just started letter crafting, for edge bevelers I would say the opposite. A good quality edge beveler is a game changer. Yes, it probably will cost you a couple times more, but I can ensure it's worth, and I definitely recommend obtaining a high quality edge beveler as soon as you can. I had multiple cheaper options before. It wasn't even close to PALOSANTO edge beveler. There are two bevelers I have been using now for probably 2-3 years, as I had the possibility to buy them here in Europe without any custom procedures and insane charges for that. And I paid for each something around 70 euros, which is about 85 US dollars. Just good feedback for these bevelers. Also, I can show you a quick way how you can sharpen any brand edge bevelers. Just take a needle, the thickness should match your beveler size, put a piece of sanding paper, I'm using the most fine I have, which is 1500 grit, and pull it couple times. Just recently I got this 8mm French skiver. I have an edge skiving machine to skive my pocket parts. But to do my best and avoid any embossing edges on the upper pocket after skiving with the machine, I do some more precise touches with a French skiver. You can use only this tool to skive your pockets also, and it's more convenient than a skiving knife. You can order different width skivers. I took 8mm and it works just fine for me. With this tool I also got in a package this simple jig to sharpen it, as well as this substance to rub into leather before sharpening. If you have in your crafting processes pieces which you need to skive, I recommend having this tool. It takes some practice to feel how the tool works to make your skive smooth and even, but it's not big deal at all. For this skiver I paid 85 US dollars, and lastly, with my French skiver I also ordered this knife, just for slicing leather if I need. It is also finely made, simple sharp knife. It may confuse you that it's a skiving knife, but it's not. The knife is tapered on both sides, and it's like a scalpel. The tip is not broken, it's how it should be, and it works perfect for slicing leather. And yes, it's thin enough and you can cut leather along your ruler. Later I will probably figure out something like a leather wrapped handle for this knife, but for now it's okay. This knife cost me $50 plus shipping 25 with FedEx from South Korea along with French skiver and 21% import taxes for whole order. I'm absolutely happy and have no regrets with all the tools from PALOSANTO factory and definitely would recommend it for other crafters. The only thing I want to mention is to be aware of dropping your tools, as they are made of hard, stiff steel, so it's quite fragile to failing on the floor. I ruined one of my edge bevelers that way, but fortunately figured it out and fixed it. I broke one of these tips, so I cut off the second and grinded it. And voila, it's doing the job as well as before. By the way, you can order edge bevelers and French skivers without the handle if something similar happened to you. If you have any questions about the tools or any questions related to leather crafting, please leave them in the comment section, I will try to answer. My crafts you can order at my webshop strhandmade.com. There you also can find PDF templates and make any of my designs by yourself. Thanks for watching, subscribe, press the like button and see you next time. Bye!